Hey everybody, today we're going to clean the carpet of the Ranger. We're going to walk up, check out some of the stains. Passenger side. So yeah, we're going to use a power drill, and I have these little scrubbers that you connect to the end of the drill. Makes it real simple. And I use a cleaner called Totally Awesome. And I don't know if anyone has used this. It's right here. This stuff is phenomenal. Cleaning dirt bikes, cleaning interior of trucks. I don't spray it on clear coats and stuff. It is a degreaser. It will degrade your clear coat or other semi-sensitive surfaces. But let me tell you stuff. This is about as cheap of cleaner as you can buy, and it works on everything. Spray a little bit of detailing spray afterwards, like if it's a motorcycle or something, it literally looks brand new, and it saves tons of money versus traditional motorcycle cleaners. But enough about that. Let's get on to cleaning. First thing we'll do is water the carpet. Get it soaked. You can already see some of the dirt coming off right there. This is a little three-piece drill activated brush set. It's pretty cool. It has helped me clean all sorts of things from motorcycles to interior. You just put them on the end of a drill. Right, left. Oop. Easy. You can buy those at Advanced Auto or any other local retailers. Well, my drill died. Now I'm gonna get the pressure washer and just do a quick pressure wash over the top of it, and I'm gonna let it dry. So yeah, that's it. The hose water and the drill's enough pressure. Let's see how the pressure washer works out. So that took quite a bit longer than I thought. An immense amount of dirt came out of it, and I'm kind of surprised. Really happy I did this, and I'm gonna go lay it out in the sun right now. Hopefully there's enough sunlight to get it pretty dry, and then I'll finish drying it tomorrow if that's not sufficient. So on to the next step. I'm gonna lay it on top of the little ladder bench so air can get underneath of it and it can get, or hopefully dry a little faster. Nothing too glamorous. We just have it resting in the sun. It looks to be a bit more clean. A lot of dirt came out. Hey guys, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I need to let this thing dry. I'm still working on tidying up the floorboards and everything for sound deadening. I've been saying that wrong the entire time. Sound deadening. And that'll be the next video, is rolling that on the bottom. And hopefully I'll start to install the interior and then explain the differences of putting the Ford Explorer center console into the Ranger itself. And you know, yeah, I'm probably gonna add a few custom little bits, another auxiliary port, maybe some USB chargers, whatever I feel could benefit the vehicle. Thanks for watching, on to the next. It looks a lot cleaner. Super excited.